Hey everyone, it's Antonio here from Paired Recruiting, and today we're diving into Time Doctor, a tool that many remote teams and businesses rely on to track time and boost productivity. If you're managing a remote team or even a hybrid one, you know how tricky it can be to make sure everyone's on the same page and using their time wisely, right? In this video, we're going to do a full review of Time Doctor. We'll cover its main features, how it helps businesses, and some things you might want to keep in mind before using it. By the end, you'll know whether Time Doctor is the right tool for you or your team, or if you should look elsewhere. Ready? Let's get into it and see if Time Doctor can make your work life a little easier. All right, so let's start with the basics. What exactly is Time Doctor? Think of it as a time tracking and productivity tool designed to monitor how you and your team spend your workday. It's especially popular with remote teams, but it works for in-office setups too. The software tracks employee time by recording the hours they work, the websites and apps they use, and the tasks they focus on. It gives you a detailed breakdown of how time is spent during the day, perfect for managers who want to make sure the team stays on task. One cool feature is that it automatically captures screenshots at certain intervals to give you a clear view of what's going on. So whether you're managing projects or making sure deadlines are met, Time Doctor gives you a detailed picture of your team's productivity. It's not just about tracking though. Time Doctor also offers tools for managing projects, tracking billable hours, and even integrating with payroll systems. It's like having an all-in-one solution for time management, project tracking, and employee monitoring. The idea here is to help teams work smarter, not harder, by cutting out distractions and keeping everything organized. Now, let's dig into what makes Time Doctor stand out from the crowd. It's not just a basic time tracker. See, Time Doctor is a comprehensive time tracking and productivity monitoring software designed for remote teams, freelancers, and companies with hybrid work environments. There are a few powerful features that can make managing your team a whole lot easier. Let's examine each of these menu options available from the main dashboard. The dashboard serves as the central hub for users to access various productivity metrics. Upon logging in, users can view their time worked, productivity levels, and active tasks. The dashboard allows toggling between individual user data, group statistics, or team-wide insights. It provides a timeline view that visually represents when team members are actively working throughout the day, making it easy to monitor engagement and productivity at a glance. The report section is crucial for analyzing productivity and time management. Users can generate detailed reports that break down time spent on various tasks and projects. From the reports drop-down menu, you can see a list of available reports including activity summary, unusual activity, attendance, hours tracked, projects and tasks, timeline and web app usage, and custom export. The reports feature allows managers to select specific projects to review, overall activity levels, helping identify trends in productivity or areas needing improvement. Reports can be customized to show different timeframes, daily, weekly, or monthly, and can include metrics on application and website usage during work hours. These reports can help managers identify areas where the team can improve and spot trends that may be affecting productivity. The screencast feature enables Time Doctor to take periodic screenshots of user screens during active work sessions. This functionality helps managers understand what employees are working on without direct interruption. Users can configure how often screenshots are taken and whether to blur sensitive information for privacy protection. This feature is particularly useful for monitoring productivity and ensuring accountability among remote workers. For example, if you've got employees spending too much time on social media, you'll know it right away. The edit time option allows users to manually adjust their time entries. This is important for correcting any discrepancies or adding time that may not have been captured automatically due to disconnections or missed entries. Users can add time entries by selecting the project associated with the task and specifying the duration worked. This flexibility ensures that timesheets accurately reflect all hours worked. In the settings menu, users can customize various aspects of their Time Doctor experience. This includes managing user accounts, setting permissions, figuring notifications, and adjusting integration options with other tools like Google Calendar or project management software, for example, Asana or Trello. The settings also allow managers to define productivity alerts and control features like screenshot frequency and privacy setting. The payroll section streamlines the payment process for employees based on logged hours. Time Doctor integrates with popular payroll services like Gusto and PayPal, allowing managers to approve timesheets easily and process payments directly through the platform. Users can set custom pay periods, hourly rates, or fixed salaries, making payroll management efficient and straightforward. The invite feature enables administrators to add new users to the platform through various methods, sending an invitation via email, sharing a link, or uploading a CSV file of user details. When inviting users, administrators can define access levels for each individual based on their roles within the organization. This ensures the team members have appropriate permissions aligned with their responsibilities. The download option allows users to obtain the Time Doctor application for their respective operating systems, for example, Windows or Mac. This is essential for those who want to utilize the desktop version of Time Doctor for tracking time while offline or managing tasks without needing constant internet access. Okay, let's examine the pros of Time Doctor and why should you consider using the tool. There are a few solid reasons why businesses are loving this tool. First off, it's fantastic for improving accountability. I mean, let's face it, when people know their time is being tracked, they tend to focus a lot more. Time Doctor gives employees that gentle nudge to stay on task, which boosts productivity overall. Plus, you get peace of mind knowing that everyone is actually working during their set hours. Another big advantage is that it helps you spot time-wasting activities, whether it's browsing social media or spending too much time on non-work related apps. Time Doctor will show you exactly where time is being wasted. This means you can address the issue right away, whether it's adjusting workloads or finding ways to eliminate distractions. The integration with payroll is another major plus. For teams that bill clients based on hours, Time Doctor simplifies the whole process. It tracks billable hours automatically and integrates with payroll software to make payments easy and accurate. No more manually tracking time or worrying about invoicing mistakes. Also, Time Doctor is great for remote team management. With many teams working remotely these days, having visibility into how time is being used is critical. Time Doctor makes sure you're not left in the dark about how your team is working, even if they're scattered across different locations or countries. Finally, it offers customization options to fit different businesses' needs. You can set different levels of monitoring for various teams depending on how hands-on you want to be. That flexibility is a big win for businesses with diverse departments or remote employees. Now, let's examine some of the cons of using Time Doctor. Of course, no tool is without its drawbacks, and Time Doctor is no exception. Let's talk about a couple of things you should consider before diving in. One potential issue is the privacy concern. While Time Doctor isn't designed to be invasive, some employees might feel uncomfortable knowing that their screen activity is being tracked or that screenshots are being taken throughout the day. This can sometimes create a sense of mistrust, especially if it's not communicated properly. It's important to have a clear conversation with your team about why you're using the software and how it benefits both them and the company. Being transparent can help ease any concerns they might have. Another downside is that there can be a learning curve. While Time Doctor is generally easy to use, setting up features like reports, screenshots, and project tracking might take a little time to master. This can be especially true for larger teams with multiple departments or specific needs. Additionally, some users have noted that the mobile app isn't as robust as the desktop version. If your team needs to track time while they're on the go, this is something to keep in mind. Overall, the pros of Time Doctor far outweigh these minor issues, but it's always good to be aware of these things before you start using the software. You might be wondering how Time Doctor compares to other tools out there. Well, let's take a quick look at how it stacks up against competitors like ActiveTrack and Hubstaff. Compared to ActiveTrack, Time Doctor is more focused on tracking individual productivity rather than overall team behavior. If your goal is to see exactly how long employees are spending on each task and website, Time Doctor is a great fit. On the other hand, if you want more insights into team-wide patterns and productivity trends, ActiveTrack might offer more in-depth data. As for Hubstaff, it's similar in many ways, but has a stronger focus on integrating payroll and managing remote workers. Hubstaff is great if you're looking for a tool that handles both time tracking and payments, while Time Doctor shines when it comes to providing detailed insight into individual tasks and work habits. In short, Time Doctor is a great choice if you're looking to boost individual accountability and track how time is spent at a more detailed level. If payroll integration or team-wide analytics are more important, you might want to consider alternatives like Hubstaff or ActiveTrack. So is Time Doctor the right fit for your business? If you're looking for a way to keep your team on track, improve productivity, and eliminate wasted time, this tool is definitely worth considering. With features like automatic time tracking, detailed productivity reports, and even client billing capabilities, it gives you the power to manage your team's time more effectively, whether they're working remotely or in the office. That said, make sure you're upfront with your team about how the tool works. As I mentioned, transparency is key. You want to make sure your employees see Time Doctor as a way to help them improve, not something that's there to watch their every move. Also, if you need guidance on any topic related to time tracking and productivity solutions, we at Paired Recruiting are here to help guide you on these topics. You can schedule a discovery call with us directly on our website at paired.so. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to like and subscribe for more insider tips on building a successful business with the help of overseas talent. Have you used Time Doctor? What was your experience? I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.